A todos, en el video anterior vimos sobre los verbos regulares en el tiempo pretérito que siguen unas formas de conjugación según terminen en ar, o ir. ¿Mm? So it's like you follow the pattern and you will conjugate the regular verbs. That's an easy way um, to conjugate verbs in Spanish. However, there are some irregular verbs that you have to memorize the conjugation, or you have to memorize the stem of the verb in order to conjugate. So two of the most frequently used irregular verbs are ser and ir. And if you see here, they are conjugating the same way. So it means that it's just the context that will tell you if we are talking about ser or ir. Like yo fui a Nueva York, it will be the verb ir. They say yo fui profesora en Colombia, means the verb ser. Okay, so it is the context who tell me if the verb is ser or ir, but they will be conjugated in the same way in Spanish in the preterite tense. Yeah, so verbs that are irregular in the preterite adopt a different stem and usually have these endings. Yeah, iste, o, imos, isteis, ieron. So for example, the verb poder will be the stem. So you'll say pude, pudiste, pudo, pudimos, pudisteis, pudieron. Yeah. Poner will be pus, puse, pusiste, puso. Querer, quise, quisiste. Tener, tuve, tuviste, tuvo. Venir, vine, viniste, vino, vinimos. Estar, estuve, estuvimos, estuviste. Saber, supe, supe, supiste. Yeah, so you have to know like the stem of these verbs and add these endings. And there are other verbs that you have to memorize, like the verb hacer, hice, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, hicisteis, hicieron, decir, dije, dijiste, dijo, dijimos, dijiste, dijeron, dar, diste, dio, dimos, disteis, dijeron. Yeah. So you will have different activities in My Spanish Lab in order to practice with these like irregular verbs in the preterite tense. So you have to memorize and keep practicing doing different activities where you have to use the verbs, the preterite with irregular verbs, and you will start to use to conjugate these verbs in the correct way. So you go to pretérito, verbos irregulares, you will see different activities and videos from My Spanish Lab where you will be completing. You will complete during this week. So most of them are conjugate the verbs, a specific irregular verb in the activities. For example, here, this activity, or in this activity, you have to conjugate the verb decir. Yeah. ¿Qué dijo ella? So the verb decir with ella. ¿Qué dijo Rafael y Sonia? So you have the verb decir. Here you have the conjugation. Say Rafael, Gloria serían ellos. So you will say dijeron. ¿Qué dijeron? Sonia, dijeron. Yeah. Usted. How do you conjugate the verb decir con usted? So dijo. So you will complete the activities. Here these activities are more related to the goal of these activities or the objective of these activities that you practice the way to conjugate these irregular verbs. Okay? So, si tienes dudas o preguntas, puedes enviar un correo o escribir en preguntas en el D12. Okay? Hasta pronto.